When I schedule visits for a customer for every other day, I will treat this as a regular job and then make a change to non-invoice activity. For example, I pull up the customer, schedule new job, start date, end date. For example, the visits are midday visits. Here, I wanted to bring the rate to your attention. If I have a customer needing everyday visits for her 2 cats, my system is set up bring up the rate of $22 per visit. Since this customer visits always uses a pet sitter every other day, I bill all my customers a little bit higher than once a day visits. And what you want to make sure is when you're in a client's account, on the client's file, you put the rate in. If you are going to bill a higher rate, you select yes for override the fee. And here, let me just show you that. And I'll go back. So when you go into update client information, when you gave this client a fee of $26, you want to make sure that override is set for yes. It usually will be set for no by default, but those customers who have an exception of a slightly higher or slightly lower rate will need to have this selected to override, so that you override the fee that system will be giving this client automatically. So you have schedule new job, April 12th, for example, through April 20th, midday. Submit, confirm. So now on the activity pending invoice, you see the visits every day. So you unselect all and you remove the visits that you don't need. I'm not going to send a message to the pet sitter to confuse her. So now all I have is 12th, 14th, 16th, 18th, and 20th. That's what the client wanted. And you can auto invoice it, or you can leave it as it is. Notify client, notify sitter, and then you auto invoice it for the 21st if the payment is due after, or for the 12th if the payment is due before. And you are done.